Welcome to VRK Education Bullet. Let's watch the video.
Yeah, hello everyone. Now I would like to explain how to install an Academy app and how the students supposed to go through the steps and all, right, in order to get one number to us, right. So we are going to start with menu. So we have to search for Google Play Store. After that we have to search an Academy Learner app in the Google Play Store, right. So after that we need to install this one, right. So this is the one of the way, and in another way we can go to directly, we are going to share one link for you. So if you click on this link, automatically this will also will redirect it to Google Play Store only, to the same app, right. Yes, so the first step is going to be to install an Academy Learner app. This is going to be the first step. Let us wait till the download is over. Yeah, it's done. Now let me click on open here. So this is the starting screen of the Academy app. So we have to click on get started here. After that, whatever the student number is there, they have to enter the number, right. After that they have to click on continue. So here they need to give some details here. So let me give for example Ravi here, and whatever the student email ID they can give this. So this is, I'm giving some arbitrary Gmail ID here, right. After that here we have to select the state also. So after completing finish this, we have to click on continue, so that one OTP will come to our mobile number whatever we have given. Yeah, this is the OTP that I have received. So let me verify. So after that we have to click on verify here. So we are going to get, it is going to ask some basic details regarding your preparation, regarding your branch and all. So the first one we have to select proceed here for competitive exams. After that we have to select GATE and ESE, right. After that the language is going to be English for us, and after that whatever the branch you might be, right. So if you are from chemical engineering, or if you are from civil, if you are from electrical, you can choose whatever the branch it might be. So let me choose CS and IT here for example, right. So you can choose your branch. So whatever the target exam you might be having, GATE 2022 or GATE 2023 you can select, right. So ESE also you can select. So let me select GATE 2023. So after that I have to click next here. Yeah, now here we need to stop here. See, after getting the screen get subscription, here we have to stop, and again we have to get back to our link here, right. So this is the one of the way, and we can do one more thing also. We can cancel this out, and here in the search, so here this is very crucial part in the entire process. Here we have to search for the educator name KN Rao here, right. So here KN Rao sir profile will come. So immediately click on the follow here. After just move a bit down. So here in the special class section, one class is going on. Enjoy the student life, but plan for future. Just give a click on this. Now it will ask the code here. So here we are going to provide the invite code with which you can able to access all the free initiatives in this platform. So here the code is going to be KNR10. So this is very important. Everyone must enter this code before going to enter into the class, right. So now let me click on unlock, right. Yeah, so directly it will go to the class here. Now here this class we need to watch for minimum of 15 to 30 minutes.
క్రాష్ కోర్సెస్ ఉంటాయి, అన్నీ ఉంటాయి.
ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియో చూశారు కదా. ఈ వీడియో ఎలా అనిపించిందో కామెంట్ రూపంలో కామెంట్ చేయండి. అండ్ మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే కనుక నాకు ఉపయోగపడుతుంది అనుకుంటే కనుక ఈ వీడియోని షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. VRK Education Bullet.